Here's how to fix Messenger not opening. Now, if you're in Facebook Messenger and you're trying to send and receive messages, but it's just not opening, or maybe it opens but immediately crashes again, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. Now, the first thing you can do is, of course, if you open it up and it's just not opening or crashing, what you can do is always just swipe up and completely close out of that Messenger app and then try to open it again. Sometimes that fixes any kind of bugs or glitches in it. Now, the next thing that we'll do is we'll hop into a web browser and we're just going to type in "is Messenger down?" and then go to down detector here. Basically, what we're checking to see is basically if it doesn't open, maybe there's an issue with the Messenger servers being down. If you see a big spike in reported outages, then you just have to wait until they get everything fixed, and then it should open and work as normal. Now, if this looks fine and you've closed out of the app, tried to open it again, and it still doesn't work, the last thing we can do is hop into settings, tap on general here, and then iPhone storage. Now, what we're going to do is find the Messenger app on this list, wherever it may be. There it is. Tap on Messenger, and we're going to offload this app. It's nice because offloading the app basically removes that core app files and force updates it to the latest version. You can just hit reinstall here, and it will install a fresh new version of it. If there's any kind of bug or glitch in it, a lot of times that fixes it. And then you should be able to just tap on it and open it as normal. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.